Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error message Windows cannot find wt.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly and then try again. So this error occurs when the Windows terminal is internally encountering bugs that prevent applications from opening. So yan po yung ibig sabihin niya. And then kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And ang next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung app. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa apps, yung pinaka-una lang, ito yung installed app. So, i-click lang natin yan. And then dito sa installed apps, dito lang sa search for apps. So, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung terminal. And so, once na-type mo na yung terminal dito, automatic mga kaibigan. So, mag-appear na agad dito. So, terminal, Microsoft Corporations. So, ang next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot dito sa right side. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And then, next step dito sa terminal settings. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, dito lang sa reset. So, kailangan lang natin itong i-repair and reset. So, if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. Kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair and then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then, makikita nyo kaagad dito na complete na yung repair. And the next step, if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset. Okay, so click mo lang itong reset. And that, pop-up ito mga kaibigan na notifications. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong reset and then wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so makikita mo dito na complete na yung reset settings and then close lang natin tong settings and then ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu and then dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so connect mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows cannot find wt.exe. Make sure you type the name correctly in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.